alam kung saan pupunta. Mali yung talon mo.
Na off time.
Na off timing ka tuloy. Tama yun. Samantala, good reception that time. And the dump over. Creamline trying to keep it in play. Tots blasts away. Arroyo working the back row. Ceballos denied. Kept in play by Mondoñedo. Eroa makes it a set. Santiago shoots away. De Guzman always showing great floor defense skills. Nice fly to the floor, Mondoñedo with the sibat. And it's still in play. Hanggang bukas to. Okay, hindi naman. And Ponce takes care of tying up this first set.
Squad has very steady floor defense. Ang ganda ng pwesto nila whenever makakuha
This
ng
game we want to play, you have to master all your fundamentals. Kasi you'll never know when you need your toss, your dig, and even your bump set. In the meantime, the post is into the open area.
At nagawa niya ng paraan, tipping the ball in the middle of the defense of Zeus Coffee.
Kate Santiago serving for Zeus Coffee.
You know, when it's Coach Mac doing the announcing, para tayo nasa airport, ano ha? Cool na cool. Parang hindi ako ma-delay sa aeroplano.
Soft the hand.
So far, of Creamline.
Tots Carlos.